LiveItLikeLisa here, and in today's video I just thought I would show you how I've decorated our kids' bathroom for Christmas. Nothing too elaborate, pretty simple, pretty plain, but I just thought I'd kick off the room tour series with the bathroom since both the kids are at school at the moment, and this is probably the only chance I will get to film it when it actually looks clean. So starting at the door to the bathroom here, we just have 2 towels on their hanging racks, and I've just replaced Jessie's ones with a couple of red ones to give it a Christmas feel. Nothing too exciting in the shower. Shower is normal. And on the bath, the only thing I've really done is just changed out the little flower that used to be on there for a Christmas pick. And then scanning up to the shelves above the bath, the only one I've really changed out is the middle one there, and I've just put a little burlap berry plant, artificial one of course, with a pine cone, and everything else is pretty much the same. So that's the bath. And then on the sink, I just have a hand towel here with a little ceramic Christmas tree. And then on this side of the sink, I've just swapped out the flower that used to be there for a berry pick to give it a bit of a tropical Christmas feel. And then on the wall here, I just have switched out the prints inside those frames for a couple that I've printed off the internet. These are the same ones that I had up last year. I may swap them out next year, but yeah, I just basically printed those off the internet and put them in some frames. So nothing too fancy. That's pretty much it for the kids' bathroom. And then in the toilet area, it's probably going to be a little bit hard to get a proper picture of it because of the sun shining straight through, but we'll see how we go. So this is the sink area here, and I'll just give you a little scan up so you can just see a bit of an overview. That's the toilet, and then a couple of prints on the wall there. So what we have on the sink, I've just kept my green plant there, and I have a little oil burner or wax burner here, and all I've done to the soap dispenser is just added a bit of Christmas ribbon. And then this is our toilet, and above the toilet we have this little round shelf. The round shelf was from Kmart, and I just switch out the prints in these frames as well. This one again was just printed straight off the internet. The Christmas tree and reindeer, they were from the reject shop. It's just pretty simple. And then on this side, where I have our toilet rolls, I've just put a little Christmas tree. That was one from, pretty sure that was from Target last year, and I think it was about $5. And I've just added a berry pick to that just to give it a little pop of red, and added a few Christmas balls at the bottom. Then we just have our Christmas hand towel, and then above that is again a couple of Christmas prints that I just printed straight off the internet, and I just swapped them out for the different seasons. And then on this wall where we have the sink, I've just got a little deer print in there as well. So yeah, that's just a really very cheap and easy DIY. If you just to change the decor for each of the seasons, just print off some different images from the internet, and there you go. And the frames are just cheap frames from either Kmart or the reject shop. So yeah, that's our kids' bathroom. That's the cat litter station. Well, that's the cat's bathroom. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Like I said, nothing too exciting in the bathrooms, but I will have my entryway coming up straight after this one, so be on the lookout for that. And hopefully my kitchen and living area will be up next as well. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.